Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best power supply available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started. Starting with our first pick, Be Quiet Power Supply. This Pure Power 13M 1000 WPSU from Be Quiet delivers a strong blend of efficiency, stability, and next-generation readiness, making it an excellent foundation for modern gaming and high-performance systems. Built to meet ATX 3.1 standards, it includes native support for PCIe 5.1 graphics cards via the 12V-2x6 connector along with multiple PCIe 6 plus 2-pin outputs, ensuring compatibility with both current and upcoming GPU generations. Its 1000W continuous output on a single 12V rail provides dependable power delivery, even during demanding transient spikes where power draw can briefly surge far beyond rated levels. One of its standout strengths is its semi-passive 0 RPM cooling mode, allowing the fan to remain off under low load for completely silent operation, while the optimized fan design ensures quiet performance even under stress. Combined with high-class internal components and stable voltage regulation, it offers a cool, efficient, and remarkably quiet computing experience ideal for long-term reliability. Next up, we have Asus Power Supply. This ATX 3.0 ready power supply unit stands out for its focus on durability, efficiency, and long-term system stability. Its capacitors and chokes undergo demanding tests to achieve military-grade certification, ensuring consistent performance even under heavy loads. Combined with high-quality Japanese capacitors and an 80+ gold rating, it delivers excellent energy efficiency with reduced heat and lower power consumption. The dual ball bearing fan design significantly extends lifespan, lasting up to twice as long as traditional sleeve bearing solutions while maintaining reliable cooling. A protective PCB coating safeguards internal components from moisture, dust, and extreme temperature conditions, improving resilience in harsh environments. With full ATX 3.0 compatibility, it is future-ready for modern GPUs and demanding gaming systems, offering stable power delivery during transient spikes. Coming in at number 3, Seasonic Power Supply. This next-generation power supply is built for cutting-edge gaming and high-performance computing, offering strong future-proofing through full ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1 readiness with a native 12V-2x6 connector for modern GPUs. It is designed to comfortably support extreme hardware demands, including flagship-class graphics cards such as NVIDIA RTX 5090 and AMD RX 9000 series, ensuring stable power delivery even under heavy transient loads. With both 80+ and Cybernetics Gold certifications, it achieves excellent energy efficiency, reducing wasted power and heat while maintaining consistent output. The advanced OptiSync design improves thermal performance by optimizing internal heat dissipation, contributing to longer component lifespan and sustained reliability. Its hybrid fan system intelligently balances silent operation and cooling performance, remaining quiet during low loads and ramping up only when needed. Now at number 4, Enermax Power Supply. This ATX 3.1 integrated power supply is designed for next-generation performance, delivering both stability and high-efficiency power delivery for demanding modern systems. Its native 12V-2x6 cable is capable of supplying up to 600W directly to the GPU, ensuring reliable support for high-end graphics cards under heavy gaming or rendering workloads without performance bottlenecks. Built with 100% Japanese capacitors, it emphasizes long-term durability, consistent voltage regulation, and reduced electrical noise, which contributes to smoother system operation and enhanced component protection. The adherence to ATX 3.1 standards ensures full compatibility with modern power excursion requirements, making it well-suited for today's most powerful CPUs and GPUs. Overall, it offers a strong combination of next-gen GPU readiness, premium internal components, and stable high-wattage delivery, making it a dependable choice for users building performance-focused or future-proof PC systems. And finally, our last pick, Golden Field Power Supply. This 1050W fully modular power supply is a premium-grade unit designed for demanding modern gaming and workstation builds, delivering a strong balance of efficiency, stability, and future-ready connectivity. Compliant with Intel ATX 3.1 standards and optimized for 230V operation at 50% load efficiency, it ensures reduced power loss and lower operating temperatures under typical gaming conditions. The native PCIe 5.112v-2x6 interface, paired with a robust 600W 90-degree pure copper cable, provides direct and stable power delivery to next-generation GPUs, including NVIDIA RTX 50 series, ensuring smooth performance even during heavy load spikes. Its fully modular design enhances cable management with a complete set of high-quality, flexible black cables, improving airflow and build aesthetics. The hybrid cooling system with a smart 12 cm fan and 0 dB fanless mode delivers near-silent operation during light usage while maintaining effective thermal control under load. So those were the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.